Hello everyone, welcome back to Odooistic, your go-to channel for Odoo tutorials, deep dives and professional ERP tips. Today we are looking at one of the most practical upgrades in Odoo 19, reporting and dashboards. From faster dashboards and a brand new date filter panel to relative date filters, new spreadsheet, chart types, and an overall reporting engine for PDFs and statements. This release makes reporting not only more powerful, but also much more user-friendly. So let's quickly set the stage. In Odoo 18, you already had powerful dashboard thanks to Odoo spreadsheet. You could pull in sales, inventory, or accounting data, add global filters that applied across multiple widgets, and then embed those sheets into dashboards. But there were some pain points. Comparing month to date versus last month was not always straightforward. Data filters were scattered across different apps, and the visualization options were limited, mostly bar charts, pie charts, and line charts. So while it worked, there was still room for improvement. So what's new in Odoo 19? Now here's what Odoo 19 brings to the table. Faster dashboards plus a new data filter panel. Dashboards now load quicker and you get a dedicated panel for data comparisons. For example, month to date versus last date, quarter to date versus last quarter, or custom ranges, all without jumping into each widget settings. So number two, relative date filters across apps. Whether you are in accounting, sales, or inventory, you will see consistent relative filters like last 7 days, this quarter, or year to date. No more building the same filter again and again. New chart types in spreadsheet. Tree map, perfect for analyzing product mix. Sunburst, great for drilling down by category. GeoCharts visualize regional sales. Funnel, perfect for CRM pipelines. These visuals make dashboards feel much closer to a BI tool, and they are still no code. Accounting and reporting engine refresh. Another big win in Odoo 19 is in accounting reports. A brand new reporting engine means better PDF layouts. Customer statements, partner ledgers, and management reports look cleaner, more professional, and ready to send. Odoo has added annual statements and improved customer statements, giving accountants out-of-the-box reports that used to need customization. And there's lighter audit trail, so accountants and auditors can close periods faster while still keeping compliance intact. This is not just cosmetic, it saves time during month end and year end and reduces the need for Excel exports. So let's imagine building a sales executive dashboard in Odoo 19. Start by creating an Odoo spreadsheet connected to sales orders. Add global filters by date, salesperson, and region. Once you add the sheet to a dashboard, these filters appear at the top. Then you insert new visuals, a tree map for top product categories, a funnel for the sales pipeline, a GeoChart for regional breakdown. Apply the new date filter panel to compare this quarter versus last quarter instantly. Everything updates live. Finally, jump to accounting and export a customer statement PDF. How much cleaner and easier to read the layout is, you will see once you will start using Odoo 19. So why should you care? Managers can do time-based comparison instantly without bugging developers. Finance teams get cleaner reports and smoother audits. Developers don't have to reinvent global filters or build custom reports for basic needs. Odoo 19's default already cover more ground. It is clear step toward making Odoo's reporting feel like a built-in BI platform, while still keeping it accessible to everyday users. So, Odoo 19's reporting upgrade means faster dashboards, better filters, richer visuals, and cleaner accounting reports. What do you think? Will these changes simplify reporting for your business? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Odooistic for more Odoo deep dives. And for Odoo customizations and full implementations, reach us at contact@odooistic.co.uk. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can donate via PayPal at faroukabizrajput@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.